welcome to Forest ASMR, Sons of the Forest ASMR.
We're doing this at 3 a.m. Totally.
Yes, totally. Yes, definitely 3 a.m. I have to be quiet because it's a bit late at night, but it's going to be hard playing a game like this. So, we've played the original Forest before, but we didn't record it because, this was before I started doing YouTube, so we understand the plot of the last game. We're the dude who was the son, who was the son of the guy who got lost in the first forest. Without further ado, let's start. Now wait patiently this time.
We're just gonna have... I don't want to wait patiently this time. I'm excited and also kind of scared.
For context, we
now,
have
unlike him, I can scream as loud as I want because, yes.
I'm gonna pause.
So, in the meantime...
Unpause.
I don't know if you know this.
Unpause.
Hello, welcome back.
We were totally not arguing about the last incident. I swear, I told you. Anyway.
I didn't do anything. I'm waiting for it to work.
Okay. Sons of the Forest. We wait for the cutscene, alright? So. This might take a little while to load. So.
I need to learn some morals and values. Look at him and tell me there's a God. He made me in his own image.
You do realize the video is not paused yet, and I can hear all of that, right? And the video is going to pick up on that, right? I'm editing that out.
I know.
Please don't do that again.
Wait, no, I did that on purpose. I did that on purpose.
Yeah, why?
I'll do it again.
Don't.
I swear I'll do it again.
What were you? I'm making faces at the webcam right now. I'm gonna pause.
Damn it!
Viewers, I apologize. She just blatantly watches crap in the mid. Wait, stop. Cutscene.
What? Cutscene. I'm looking at a loading screen. I'm looking at a goddamn loading screen.
God, this game is this early access game. All right, so right now I see a helicopter that's about to crash land. Like it's dipping downwards.
Looking at a loading screen.
I wonder why it does that. Alright, so there's some sinister lightning on a mountain. You can just, watch my end of the video.
Don't just tell me the whole damn cut screen. Just give me a second.
Well, it's already, halfway through.
Not for me. I'm halfway through a goddamn loading screen.
But what if you just went and
Okay,
listened to
now
Reddit
I'm looking at a cutscene. Ah, yes, Puff Corp.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's right. You can move around in the cutscene. You can look at what we're looking at.
Age 63. 175
Dang, that's some
centimeters.
spooker look. What is that lightning? What in the hell?
Her age is 60,
Oh,
socially.
hello, fisheye.
He's
Woo!
160
Who's
centimeters.
Edward Puffton?
Brown at 68 kilograms.
Barbara.
Virginia Puffton, 20, student. Virginia Monster. Do you remember that?
Shut up. Virginia. Virginia. I forgot about Virginia. The Virginia.
God, my guy has a puffy fight. Demons.
Oh, I can press E to shut it down. Let's close the computer, put our hands on our desk, and...
Crash landing, by the way.
Oh, we are? Well, I'm looking at the fight demons edgy tattoo. Oh. Oh, whoa, we're... Okay, we sure are crash landing now. Okay, goodbye. Oh, well that guy just fell into the sea. Bye, guy. You're not gonna make it. See ya. Great. Can I please?
That guy was just sucked down under.
Was he? Oh, I guess
Kick.
he was. Bye.
Kick.
Get out of the. Yeah, get out of the thing. Just get kick. Just kick. Just a kick. Just a kick.
The human lung capacity is not this great, I can assure you.
Oh, for sure. Can I move, please? I'd like to get out of the water. That'd be nice. Nice. Water would be nice to get out of. Please,
So
thank
we're all
you.
in like SWAT uniforms and crap.
Am I gonna blank out? Am I gonna black out? Nope. Okay, the screen just cut to black. Fantastic.
Oh, who is that guy? Ow.
What guy? I don't see a guy. Because apparently my cutscene just cut to black. Oh, that guy. Oh, I see what guy you're looking at.
Guy's got a revolver.
I just got. Who the hell are you? Is that a guy or a girl? I don't
I hate
know.
how these cutscenes are delayed.
I think it's a guy.
That's an ugly ass
I
fish.
just got pistol whipped.
Cool, I just witnessed your tactical fucking...
Oh my god, I changed races.
Nice. How do I
Alright.
look?
Open an emergency. Oh, hi, how's it going? Hey, what do I look like?
You're a black dude.
Oh, wow, my sensitivity is very high, and oh no.
You're a
That
black
doesn't look
dude
good
with
over
like
there.
a small goatee.
Give me a second. Let me change my sensitivity.
Could you come over here? There's like something
No, give me a
very
minute.
important. Alright, sure, just miss the screaming guy. That's fine.
What?
You
What
don't
do you
need to.
want?
You know, this guy right here.
He's... That's so... Small rock. Yeet! Oh, you could throw small rocks!
Is this guy okay? His like eyes are rolling into the back of his head. Is he okay? His ears are bleeding.
He's having a day, okay? Good, but he's having a day. Alright, well.
Holy crap, we can command these people.
Huh?
Like, I have a notebook. Get sticks.
Can I get a backpack? Do I even have a backpack? I do! I have very many things. Okay. Alright, we have a mat. What are you?
We can command these people. Bro, get over here. I commanded
Give
this
me a
guy to
second,
get
I
me.
opened the emergency pack.
Alright, fine, I guess you just don't
I got
like
a
telling people
GPS
what to do and them
tracker, a
obeying you
guide book.
blindly.
I do like telling people what to do. Now get out of here. Get the pack. Open up the mat, open up the pack, and ew, dead fish. That's not pretty. Ew, that's a spider.
To open your inventory, press
Yeah.
I.
I'm running around, making my way downtown,
You see these
walking
guys over
fast.
here?
Okay, let's see if I got anything to nibble on. What are these? I don't know what those are. We'll find out eventually. I got a walkie, a tactical axe, a utility knife, a GPS tracker, some flashes, and a guidebook. Let's see what we got in the guidebook.
That's horrifying.
Hold on, I'm coming over there in a minute. I just figured out how to make a tent, some basic fire, some stick structures, and a floor. Or all. Or okay. Switch mode, please.
Oh, I can open the emergency
Oh.
pack. Okay. That's what the game wanted me to do.
Okay, so that just switches hands, I think. Oh no, it's there's like 2 different modes of the little pack thing. I get out of this. I wanna.
Yo, come here.
So
We
you
have a
press B
comrade.
to look at the guide. Anyway, what's going on over here? What? Huh?
Look. See this guy? He got sticks for us.
I love him. I'm naming you. Hold on. What should I name you? Oh.
See, you can command him to do things.
Oh. Give us some logs. Some logs. He looks so dopey. Look at him go.
Well, here's the thing. When
Give
I
us
woke
some
him up,
logs.
he was like
Have
bleeding
fun.
from the ears. I think he has like a brain worm or something. Spider.
What
Spider.
am I looking at here?
Screw that spider.
Oh! But look what you can do with sticks. Look what you can do with sticks.
What? Oh,
Okay,
nice.
if you look at the ground, right, with like a stick in hand, you can
Oh,
like
you can use
do
them as
stuff
like
with
markers.
it. Yeah.
We have all this ammunition, but we have no
He's
guns.
getting us some logs.
I hope he's gonna
Alright.
survive.
We still don't have guns, and I'm angry about that. What
I
the
feel
hell?
like we should
Oh, that was
preserve that
just
guy.
that. Okay.
Like, make sure he doesn't die.
Of course we're preserving that guy. I'm gonna name him Timmy. Alright, let
Timmy.
me get my utility. Cut down trees or dismember enemies, cause that's what an axe do.
Is that literally just what they put on the survival guide? Just, yep, okay. Cut down trees.
That's
and-
what they put. Well, no, that's what. Cause this is good. Hold on, can I get rid of this? Okay, no, I can't get rid of the little effigies that are right here. Which sucks.
So we can build a tent.
So please grab this combat helmet. I think that would be very helpful. Yeah, we could equip the GPS tracker by pressing M. Oh. Look! Look, our whole team is on here. Except they're really, really far away, and I kind of don't want to go to them.
Wait, our whole team? What's going
Yeah,
on?
look, press M. Press M.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Look at this little dude. Look at him.
That's cool. But I don't think we have to worry about our team
okay,
right
so-
just at this moment. Like, I think they can fend for themselves for now.
Oh, I can place logs down. You just like sit down. There, see? Yeah. Oh,
So-
I have to like, I can't like just drop it. Can I just drop it? Like,
Oh, we can get like a sniper tower. We also have a lianto,
can I please just drop it?
tree platform, tree shelter.
Just want to drop it. Please let me just drop it. Like, what do I press to drop it?
I think you just set it down.
Can I actually? Well, no. I just had to equip to another item. Thanks for the meds. Don't know where the sun. Okay, the sun's over there. Did we make camp for the night? Make a shelter of some sort.
I figured as much.
So let me take some medication because I'm pretty low on health, and no, I'd like to do that.
What's a lianto?
Let me eat a medication. Oh, hey, there's an animation for like the medication and crap.
Do you know what a lianto is?
Here. Oh. Oh, they give you a little backpack. Cool. Alright, alright,
Do you
I'm
not
liking
know
this.
what a lianto is?
What?
Do you know what a lianto is?
Oh, of course I do not know what a lianto is.
Is my mic really quiet for
Yeah,
you?
they're half logs. A little bit. Not awful though. I got some half logs.
Oh, we have been debuffed into only carrying one log.
No.
Oh wait, these are
Okay,
half
wait, I
logs.
have quarter log. Do we need half logs?
You broke
Oh, I
the
put
log.
this down. What did you press to put it down? Oh. Never mind, I got it.
I think the amount of
Oh, I got
logs.
some 9mm ammo.
I think you ruined this log. Like, we can't use it.
No, no, it's a quarter log. We need it, but not right now. So right now, we need like just regular log. Okay, I think it
Yo, I
goes
think
like
you
in
gave this
order
guy
of
the
certain
wrong name.
things. What's his name?
Well, it
What do you
starts with a K for some reason. Well, you know how you see my name on the map, and you know how it starts with a. Does it start with an H or a Y?
It starts with an H, I think. Wait, hold on. Let me just look at the. Yeah, yours starts with an H.
And yours starts with a P, which means this guy starts with a K. So you named him wrong.
All right, let's name him Christine.
Okay. And he's just been gathering logs.
Yeah,
Watch,
He's a
we're
good
gonna
little
find out his
worker.
actual name later. I mean, I don't think he gives a crap.
right. What was that?
We need half logs.
Oh, god dang it. No, it was just a bunch of logs. I'm getting some logs right now.
Oh god, I feel like we're already gonna get paranoid.
Alright, I'm paranoid too. Log. 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 Can we make a log sled at all? No, we're not limited to only one log. We're limited to 2 logs.
Oh damn.
We're just kind of not all there. Okay, every time I place something down, it gets a little bit of a lag spike, which is not good. And let me just.
Where do we put the half logs?
I remember what I said. It's in order. You gotta do big logs first, and then the next one.
Oh, okay.
So help this guy collect some logs. He's been doing this whole thing on his own.
I was just trying to figure out what to do
Hey,
with the
another
half
log.
logs until I kind of did not listen to what you were saying.
Just leave him.
Just
Just leave him. Grab some sticks while you're at it.
I'm just waiting to get ambushed.
If we get ambushed, I'll watch you scream in terror.
I sure hope not.
Definitely like the graphics. It's a lot more like seeming. Seamless? Whatever. Oh, watch
My
out.
frames are really
Watch out,
bad.
Kenny. Outside, please watch out.
Oh no, no, that almost hit me. It's not like I was standing like 8 feet away.
If it did, it would have been hilarious.
It would have. Yo, here, take your logs. What do we name the guy?
Oh no! Oh no! Now look what you did!
Oh, did I hit him with a
You
log?
hurt Kenny! You
Oh
hit him
my
with
god,
a log!
I hit Kenny.
Oh, and he's still doing all of his work! Kenny!
Make him take a break. Make him take a break.
It's okay, Kenny. Making him take a break. Give me a second. Kenny, come here, Kenny. Kenny, it's okay, Kenny. Kenny, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Kenny, I understand your pain. It's okay.
What the fuck do you mean you understand
Let's
his
go.
pain? Did I hit you with a log too?
It's okay, I have to live with him every day. Kenny. Kenny, I need to, yeah. Dig your ears a little bit. Yeah, you'll be fine. Damn it, I wanna... Kenny, I need you to... Don't shake your head at me, Kenny. Kenny, don't shake your head at me.
What are you
Come on,
guys
Kenny,
talking
follow
about?
me.
Look how dope
Look
you
at
do.
Kenny, look at his little run! Look at his little run! Oh wait, let's see if he runs faster if I run away.
He has,
Look at him, love him so much.
What happened to him?
Okay, Kenny, listen. I don't know, Kenny, listen. Yeah, let's take a break, Kenny. Take a break. Take a break, Kenny.
I'm building us a
What do you
log
think,
cabin,
Kenny?
Kenny. We'll have a nice place for you to rest after I just completely...
Oh, wait, his name is Kelvin!
Oh. How do you know?
It's on his little,
Notebook thing?
thing. Yeah, his notebook thing. No, not notebook thing. It's on the front of his, like, uniform. It's a
Oh.
tiny little thing that says Kelvin.
Alright, well, let's call him Kelvin. Sorry, Kenny.
We're still
I mean,
gonna
Kelvin.
keep his name as Kenny because he doesn't have a name because he doesn't really exactly have a brain anymore. He won't know the difference.
I mean, Kelvin is likely his last name, so what if his first name's Kenny?
True, let's make his first name Kenny.
Just-
First name's Kenny.
We're just naming this guy like he's our child now. I mean, he kind of is,
He
but you know.
is! Move out of the way, please.
I do not like how he's resting that far away from us. I don't want him to get ambushed.
Alright, I'll bring him over. Hold on. Oh, we're not on full logs anymore. We're on half logs. Planks? On something, and I don't know what it is.
What? Wait, you found blanks?
Give me a second. I'm trying to. Yeah, we need planks, I think. Oh, look. I go up to here, right? And it tells me we need planks. So. How do I throw these off? I want to get rid of them.
I got blanks.
Come here, Kenny.
Is he
Kenny
doing
Kelvin.
okay?
He's doing just fine, I think. I want to give him some meds. Stay
Like the cut of your jib, Kelvin.
here, item. Like the good Jif, Kelvin. And wait, if I'm holding something in my hand, can I give it to him?
What is the lore behind Kelvin? How did he get in this situation?
Stay clear. Oh, he said no.
Why?
Oh, he takes a step back. Wait, hold on. Kenny, come here. I told him to stay clear 5 meters, and he shook his head and then started backing up. It's really weird. Anyway, we want you to... take an item.
Can you tell him to eat it? Or
No, I can't.
do we have
Can't tell him to take anything.
do we have to force it down his throat like parents with
Fine.
children?
Can I just like hold this in my... Okay, no, I was gonna give him some like meds, but apparently he's just immortal. Hold on.
I
Let
better
me
hope
let me
he's
see.
immortal.
Take item. Take item. Okay. Yeah, I can't give him anything. I think it's like... I don't even know. It may be like foodstuffs or something. Also, did you figure out how to make planks?
Man, he looks so peaceful laying down like that. Yeah, you split the logs down the middle,
Oh, okay.
but we don't need them right now. Alright, I'm assuming we also need to make a bed.
Perfect. Oh, look! Made a little spike.
I wouldn't stand on that.
Boink! I do what I want.
Why do you make him rest all the way over there?
I can try. Okay, hold on. Let me bring him with us.
Actually,
Bring him
don't.
over
No,
here.
wait. We need to put him in a place where he's not going to get mauled by a tree. But at the same time, we want to keep an eye on him.
Follow me, Kenny. Over here, Kenny.
Could you, like, revive me, please?
Do you fucking just die? Hold on, I'm taking Kenny to daycare.
Don't worry, the skull is filling up. I may or may not have... So here's the stupid thing. The tree fell down, alright? I literally just walked up to the tree as it was falling down. I hit it on the side and it killed me.
I'm coming. I'm coming, home slice. Hey, hey man.
Well, that was humiliating.
Get your bag and get out of here.
Where's my
Like,
bag?
can I, like, just take your bag?
No, don't.
Hold on. Just stay there. Stay put. Oh, I can give you stuff to put in your bag.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Kelvin, what are you
Where's the
doing
key?
here?
Oh, Kenny, I'm so sorry. I was just testing something out. I'm sorry, Kenny.
What
Okay,
is
did he
the-
follow me?
Maybe he got concerned because I was dead.
Kenny? Kenny, where are you going, Kenny? Kenny? Oh, so the baby is running away. Kenny, my boy? Kenny, listen. You gotta follow me. You gotta follow me, Kenny. Understand? Okay, good.
Kenny?
Come with me, Kenny.
We know what's best for you, man. You haven't been the same for a while.
Okay, he does run. He does a little dopey run. Dude, look at him. Sun takes forever to go down. Right, Kenny, take a break by the house. Okay, take a break by the house. Build a fire, actually. Oh, he can finish our structure for us. Okay, yeah, but build the fire first, please, Kenny. Thank you, Kenny. Just love saying his name over and over. Just Kenny.
Not even his
He's a
real
little scrunkly. He's a silly little guy.
name. If you're making a drawing out of this, you've got to include him.
Oh yeah, no, I'm including Kenny. Kenny is the boy.
Like blood coming out
He's
of his
just
ears.
building away. Okay, now we need some half logs.
I just imagine like the Red Dead Redemption 2 house building song. Damn, he already got that fire
It's
lit.
all we're just having one heck of a time. Oh, did you open these up yet?
No? What are those?
Got printer resin. Oh, what good that's gonna do here. I got a grenade and a C4 brick.
Oh,
Okay.
Hey. What's in here? Tarp and duct tape.
Stun gun ammo and slug ammo. Man, I'm gonna have a shotgun and all. Really hope we find those guns. You know, actually, I bet they're probably on the guys that we came with.
Hey, Kenny.
Kenny, you built your first fire! Where'd he
said-
go?
He's over here just chilling in front of our cabin.
Kenny, you look so pretty! Built your first fire. It's kind of primitive and might go out really quickly, but it's okay. I still love you. Here, hold on, Kenny. Let me build you a proper fire.
Take a break. Proper fire. Give him a break. It's his first fire. Like that's a normal thing.
I
for
know.
children to build. Despite the fact that Kenny is likely in his late 20s or 30s.
He's still a child. It's okay.
He's a child at
Okay,
heart.
can I just like
Never change, Kenny.
place rocks?
This game
change,
is
Kenny.
starting off surprisingly wholesome.
I know, right? It's just Kenny.
I
Can't
think
go wrong with Kenny.
you gotta respect morality.
No, false.
All of a sudden, I don't think the enemies are gonna be that intimidating when we actually have motivation to fight them now. To protect Kenny.
Protect Kenny.
Could you imagine, like,
Hey,
by
look,
the,
I made it reinforced fire.
could you imagine by the end of this
And now
game,
it's raining.
we've managed to, like, cure whatever
Yep.
ailment has gotten, like, Kenny down, and we're just sitting there like, why do you guys keep calling me Kenny? What happened while I was out?
Because we love you.
Thanks. All of the like FBI agents or whatever were with us, they're just gonna be our children now. See, like, yeah, we have a nice little happy family.
If they're not dead already. I hate to break it to you, but they may or may not be dead.
Oh, that's true. We might have to find them. Yo, there's a cave over here.
I know, but let's focus on Kenny. Focus on
Yeah, we need
Kenny.
to build a nice little
It's
safe
okay,
haven
Kenny.
for him.
Yeah, it's raining, Kenny. Yeah, it's raining, Kenny. He like touched his hand to the back of his head and was like, "Oh, what's this?" Give me a second. I'm blowing my nose.
Right. What do I look like, by the way?
A generic white protagonist that looks like Chris Pratt.
I don't keep in line with this Pratt.
Chris Pratt plays Mario. How could you forget this?
I never watched that movie.
It's not out yet, I don't think.
So I'm just a guy with some mild stubble and quick hair.
Much, yeah.
Might have to take a screenshot. Holy crap! This rain is making my game die.
What do I look like? Am I the guy that dies first?
Technically, yes. You have a small goatee and short hair.
Nice.
Do I look slightly similar to Kenny?
Hold on, stand by him, stand by him. Okay, I stand corrected. Kenny looks like Chris Pratt. You're, I think, Latino. Fuzzy. Alright, we need planks.
I might have you take a screenshot because I don't.
Put the light by pressing L. Oh no, it's already turned dark. Why is the light so awful? It's not even lit. It's just... Why? It's not even a light. Oh, whatever. It's fine.
I think
Kenny?
that might be just a non-rendered. This game is early access. I don't know if the lighters are rendered all that well. You see that little X in the middle? Unless it's like a very futuristic lighter.
Come on, Kenny. Grab us some logs real quick. Give me a second to turn down my sound because it's very loud.
We need to build a house so we can have a nice shelter that we don't have to worry about.
I can't see anything. This light does not help. It's purple. Home slice. Home slice. Home slice. Home slice. Home slice. Home slice. What is that? No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. My game is lagging out so bad. There's,
Is that one or two people?
I think, more than one of them. Can't tell, and I don't want to know. Oh,
And
she ran in the other direction.
I think that's a ghost or something.
And she's coming back. I don't know. I don't want to know. I'm going back.
Oh yeah, she's making noises.
No, no, no. No, no. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Wait,
Give me a second. I
Kenny's
actually
still
need
out
to
there.
change my settings again because this is... Kenny! Kenny, my boy! Kenny! 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 It's so dark. Kenny!
the moon's rising, and it's actually providing some pretty good light.
Really? I can't... Oh, there's the moon.
Like, it's actually decently
Nice.
visible.
Okay, okay. It's getting better, actually. This game is actually pretty realistic for
Yeah, it's
being
like there's
early
the
access
weird...
and stuff.
I think the lighter X thing
Go
is
sleep,
the-
Kenny. Yes, that's okay. scared me.
That scared me too. Is Kenny staying by the fire? Yes, he is. Okay, good.
Just
Make
Kenny's
sure.
staying by the fire. The child is safe.
You see, these video games.
You are tired. Use a tarp to build a shelter. How do I do that? I'm also thirsty and hungry. I don't know where to get items to make myself better. That's not good. Okay, how do I make a tarp? And plus a stick. A tarp plus stick. Where's a tarp? I don't have a tarp.
Let me see if I have tarp. I have a C4
I can
block.
do a I can do a hunting shelter though. I'll just do the hunting shelter since it's probably gonna be easier to build. Because I don't have a tarp, I don't think.
Yeah. Alright, we need logs.
Need half logs. Half logs and logs. And then where's my tarp? What tarp are they talking about? Down maybe? No. Up? No. What tarp? Were we supposed to grab something that we just didn't grab? Oh wait, maybe this is it. No. No. Block C4. Can I just eat the C4? You really can't use these as markers. Okay, you're grabbing wood, I think. I just hear. Thank you, Kenny, for being in our lives. I need food. Can't see anything though.
So
Oh, hey,
far.
I got an achievement.
You there?
I'm still here.
Okay.
Okay, without the... Oh, no.
What?
Okay, that was just me. Never mind. I thought I was hearing breathing, but it was my own. And I really need food and water, but we don't have that. We don't have that luxury, do we?
Do you think we could have made Kenny grab some food?
Zos. We actually probably could have, but I don't know.
Well, I don't want to send him out at
And
night.
get back in here. We need sleep. Oh my god, I'm actually going to start losing health because I don't have any food or water. Huzzah. Kenny,
Alright, I
can you get us
saved.
some food?
It's a lovely new day.
Yeah, Kenny is unable to, let's get us some logs, Kenny. Thank you, Kenny. Okay, we really need food and water. Can I drink the seawater? I remember this used to be the case. I cannot. I'm seeing birds. You know what? I'm desperate. Can I hit any of the birds?
Kenny, I'm using this log. Sorry, man.
I cannot. Hit one of you guys, I'm sorry. I I'm gonna go exploring for water and food. I'll be back.
Very
I have
good.
my trusty blade.
I'll keep Kenny safe.
Thank you. I'm scared. I shall prevail. Kenny!
Oh man, my screen looks so much better. Sorry viewers for the night light situation.
I found some prints. Ooh, I found blueberries! I will gladly take some of those. Those are probably poisonous.
Kelvin, where are you going?
Oh, what are those? Let's see what these are.
Kelvin, what you doing? Oh, I see what you're doing, Kelvin.
What is this? Oh, I got some yarrow seeds and I ate those and I guess they tasted good. Also, how's your hunger and thirst bar looking?
Empty.
You should probably come up here and get some food with me.
Sorry, I have a Kelvin to protect.
Okay, once I've had my fill, I'll let you go exploring.
Kelvin, you're not going anywhere you should be, right? Kelvin, you sure like taking the long way around, don't you?
Oh, these are like little raspberries or strawberries or something. Salmonberry. That sure is a name. Go ahead and while you're gone, I'll make us some crop things because blueberries do not fill a lot at all. Okay, this will have to do for now. Okay, what I heard was just you, never mind. Scared for a second. Can I craft a slingshot? How did we craft a slingshot last time?
I do not... I think we had needed cloth.
Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm trying to kill a squirrel.
I'm eating blueberries.
Dang it, I lost track of it. Also, you can eat these. You can also eat these, like, seed things. I think they fill you a little more. And, you know, if all else fails, we can just consume people again. I mean, I can consume people again, because you're too much roll.
Listen, we gotta... Listen. No. You do realize that we have someone to be a good role model to, right?
Well, yeah, I know, but, like, this is a survival situation. Kenny needs to learn the hard way how to grow up.
I am not having Kenny eat people, period.
He's already very old. He should be acting more his age.
He's only, like, 30.
And what? And act age at 30? This is a very important life lesson. You gotta know how to cook certain people, okay? Some meat is a little
He is
stringier
not
than
eating
others.
people. This is not a matter. It's not a matter of learning something in life. This is a matter of morality. He's not eating people.
Shut up, shut up.
Is something bad happening? What's going on? You good?
I need you to come to my location, stat.
Oh, for God's sake. Okay.
I'm hearing an odd gurgling noise, and I don't like it.
Okay.
And it's not like my stomach or anything.
Stay hidden.
Yeah, I know I'm tired. Shut up. I do what I want. Sleep later. Can I, like, nap in this game?
Okay, Kenny, stay hidden. Stay hidden. I'm gonna go find Queenie.
What do you mean? You put Kenny in his little playpen, right? You made sure he's not, you know, going anywhere?
I made sure he's not going anywhere. I told him to stay hidden. Now what do you want me to say?
Alright. Come with me. Come with me. Just come over here. There's a drop over here, and I keep hearing, like, gurgling sounds.
Periodically.
Wait a minute.
Is this it?
Oh. My vision's actually going black. I think I might pass out.
Why? What's wrong?
Oh, it's water. Okay, I didn't know. I didn't know it was water. Apparently I didn't get enough sleep, so I'm gonna go sleep with Kenny. I'll be right back.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna gather some planks and then we'll have a nice little, cute little house.
Fantastic. It's a horror game about mutants and lore.
You doing okay, Kenny? You doing alright? Look at how much logs you gathered. You should be proud of yourself, Kenny.
You gather a lot of logs.
Yes. Yes, you did.
Very good, Kenny. I probably need a rope, don't I? Yeah, I know I'm hungry. I just ate a bunch of seeds and berries because why not, right? Yeah, you sure are hidden, Kenny. Alright, I need to sleep because my vision's probably gonna start blacking out soon.
I'd be fooled.
Ah. I can't because apparently... Well, let me save my game real quick. Okay, game saved. I apparently cannot because, you have to sleep with me. No, it's only fair. Okay, now I'm hungry and I'm thirsty and it's nighttime. This is great. Fantastic. This is exactly what I want. And you still need to finish the house, or is it already finished?
It's already finished.
Oh, it's already finished. Woohoo!
It's not much, but it's something.
Okay. It's not much, but it's honest work.
We should
Still
build
cut
a
these
bed.
logs weird. We should. That's a good idea. Well, I mean, we can't sleep now because, you know, it's the middle of the day.
I mean, we can sleep. It's letting us sleep whenever we want.
Oh, can we?
I think we're just gonna wake up more dehydrated, though.
Let's take my chances. Get in here. What did you just build?
I'm making a stick bed for the cabin.
Okay, hold on. Let me help you out with that.
No. I thought we wanted. Okay.
I don't have any more sticks.
Let's just sleep till day, and then we'll gather more sticks later. You doing all right, Kenny?
on, I literally just need one more stick. Perfect. Okay, I need nice Android noise.
Yeah. Just one more stick.
Where's the house? Where's the door? Get the stick in here. So I have the duct tape. I'm tired already.
Damn, we lose your energy fast. Alright, it's fixed. Let's sleep.
Sleeping time. It's day.
I think the tiredness also is
Alright,
combined
let's
with
go
our lack
forge.
of food.
This is true. Yeah, this is probably definitely true. Like, look at how fast it's going down. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, actually, I think another thing might be because we need to build benches and stuff so we can actually, like, take it easy.
Rest. Alright, you build some benches. I'm gonna go back to that water area and see what I can find. I'll forage for things along the way.
Kenny's just...
Okay, so the yarrow seed seems to be pretty, like, okay in terms of giving you back some...
Alright, I built this bench. Let's go get some food. Kenny? What do I want you to do? Kenny, could you get some... Why don't you get some logs and drop here?
Oh, I found some shroomies! Probably gonna kill me, but that'll be okay.
Or you might start tripping balls.
Never mind. Never mind. It hurt. It hurt. It hurt me. They were red. Alright, I'm at the water area. There's a lovely torso and a foot in this location. And I will use it so only for whatever. I need the water.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Find
I
a squirrel.
killed a squirrel.
Oh, this is a tactical boot. This might be one of our friends.
It'll be fine.
Alright, let's head back to Basin. I'm gonna head back to Basin to save.
Okay, same here.
I think that's enough.
Where did we end off?
Huh?
Where did we end off?
What do you mean?
Like in the recording, where did we end off?
We haven't ended yet.
Oh, never mind.
Sorry, viewers, we're
Well,
planning
everybody.
on ending the recording really freaking soon.
Because Kenny needs his beauty sleep.
And we can only record for so long and not have the video get stupid.
This is also true. And I'm sleeping in the hunting tent. Wait, where's Kenny?
He's over here.
Kenny?
He's touching
Kenny?
on our new bench.
Oh my goodness, Kenny, my baby boy.
Take a
Hi.
break. Take a break.
Whoa, what's that? Hey, yo. Slice? Slice? I think this is a good place to. Oh no! Well, that's a good place to end. Good night, everybody. We kind of have to go to sleep now. Okay, goodbye. Save my cream, and see you next time when we.
Yep.
I'm just gonna leave.
Thank you all for watching. This has been Sons of the Forest ASMR, and have a